Welcome to Hommie, where your dream living space becomes a reality. But what exactly is a sunroom? A sunroom is a versatile, enclosed space typically built with large windows, allowing for an abundance of natural light. It creates a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor living areas. Sunrooms offer countless benefits. They provide a perfect spot for relaxation, dining, or even working from home, all while being surrounded by nature. Imagine enjoying the warmth of the sun without worrying about weather conditions. At Hommie, we take pride in creating custom sunrooms tailored to your specific needs and preferences. With factory direct pricing and expert craftsmanship, we ensure the highest quality and best value for your investment. Transform your home with a custom sunroom from Hommie. Visit our website or contact us today to start designing your perfect space. Hommie, bringing the outdoors in beautifully.